Number 10. Wandering Albatross. Measuring from 8.3 feet to 11 feet, Wandering Albatross has largest wingspan of any bird. This large beautiful bird is native to Southern and North Pacific Ocean. There are 24 different species of albatross in total, weighing up to 12 kg. Number 9. Mute Swan. Mute swan is a large bird that grows up to a size of 5 feet and weighs between 12 and 13 kg. They are native to European countries. The cute ash-necked mute swan also have a wingspan of 8 feet. Number 8. Dalmatian Pelican. Dalmatian pelican is one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. They are native to Europe and South Asia. This large bird grows up to a length of 6 feet and weighs between 12 to 14 kg. The wingspan of an adult Dalmatian pelican measures up to 9 feet. Number 7. Andean Condor. Andean condor is one of the members of the vulture family. This large bird found in the Andes mountains and South American coast. They grow up to a height of 1.2 meters and weighs up to 15 kilograms. Number 6. Cory bustard. Weighing up to 20 kg, Cory bustard is the largest flying bird in the world. Native to Africa, male Cory bustard is 2 times much heavier than the female. This 4 feet long bird has a wide wingspan that measures up to 9 feet. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Number 5. Greater Rihi. The flightless Greater Rihi is largest bird of South America, which is mainly found in grass and wetlands. They have a body length between 4.1 feet and 4.5 feet and weighs up to 27 kg. The large wings of Greater Rihi are useless for flying, but they use those big wings for balancing their body while moving. Number 4. Emperor Penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest species of penguin. They only can be seen in Antarctica. Emperor penguins can stand up to a height of 45 inches and weight up to 45 kg. They travel up to 80 km in searching for food and can dive up to a depth of 1500 feet. Number 3. Emu. Emu is the largest flightless bird of Australia. They stand up to a height of 6 feet and weighs up to 60 kg. They live in the savannas, woodlands and other forest range of Australia. Emus feed on plants, seeds, fruits, lizards and other insects. Number 2. Southern Cassowary. The Southern Cassowary is the second largest bird in the world. This large, dark, flightless bird measures up to 5.1 feet in height and 75 to 80 kg in weight. Their bills also have a length of 7.5 inches. They can't fly but can run up to a speed of 30 miles per hour. And finally, number 1. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest living bird in the world. An adult ostrich weighs up to 150 kg and has a height of 6 feet. They also held the record for the fastest speed of any bird in the land and largest egg of any living birds. With strong legs, ostriches can run up to a maximum speed of 70 km per hour. The flightless ostriches are native to Africa. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.